Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join copper and aluminum wires safely and effectively. Directly connecting these two different metals can create significant electrical hazards. Their distinct properties, like varying thermal expansion rates and electrochemical potential, lead to serious issues. Over time, this can cause connections to loosen, increasing resistance and generating dangerous heat. This improper contact significantly raises the risk of arcing and potential fires. The main problem when joining copper and aluminum is galvanic corrosion. When these two metals touch, especially with any moisture, an electrochemical reaction begins. Aluminum also quickly forms a non-conductive oxide layer, which dramatically increases electrical resistance. Furthermore, copper and aluminum expand and contract at different rates with temperature changes, leading to loose connections and further resistance increases over time. To safely join these wires, you must use specialized connectors. Look for products clearly marked Al/Cu or Co/Uller, indicating they are rated for both metals. Before inserting the aluminum wire, apply an antioxidant compound to prevent oxidation and ensure good contact. A common method is pigtailing, where a short copper wire is connected to the aluminum wire using an Al/Cu rated connector. Then the copper pigtail connects to the device. For installation, first, strip approximately 3/4 of an inch of insulation from both the copper and aluminum wire ends. Apply the antioxidant paste to the aluminum wire. Insert the prepared wires fully into the appropriate Al/Cu rated connector. Tighten any set screws or twist the connector firmly, following the manufacturer's torque specifications. Always double-check that connections are secure and consult a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.